Let me be real with you for a second. How many times have you told yourself, "Tomorrow, I'm waking up early"? You set your alarm for 5 a.m. But when it rings, your brain goes, "Just 5 more minutes." And those 5 minutes magically turn into 2 hours. Then comes the guilt. Why am I so lazy? Here's the truth, you're not lazy. You just don't have the right strategy. Today, I'm giving you 6 actionable steps to wake up at 4:30 a.m. without struggling, even if you went to bed late. Let's dive in. Step 1. Outsmart your alarm. Stop keeping your phone right next to your pillow. Put it across the room. When the alarm goes off, you should physically have to get out of bed and walk to turn it off. That physical movement alone starts breaking your sleep state. Next, name your alarm. Change the label to a powerful reason or a quote that reminds you why you're waking up. When your brain sees or hears that first thing in the morning, it gets a spark of clarity instead of brain fog. Pro tip: if keeping your phone away feels impossible, buy a basic digital alarm clock. It helps you stay away from screens at night too. Step 2. Win the night to win the morning. Your morning control actually starts the night before. If your night routine is chaotic, waking up disciplined is almost impossible. 30 minutes before bed, put your phone away, dim the lights, and write down tomorrow's plan. Write it down, specify the exact task you'll do first thing in the morning. This simple habit calms your brain and gives you immediate direction when you wake up. And if you slept late one night? Get up anyway. Your body adapts within 2 to 3 days. That initial discomfort is where your growth happens. Step 3. Own the first 10 minutes. The first 10 minutes determine whether your day will be productive or sluggish. The moment your alarm goes off, do not open social media or check notifications. Instead, follow this instant energy formula. Water. Drink a full glass of water, cold or room temp, to rehydrate. Light. Turn on a bright light or open your curtains. Movement. Do 10 jumping jacks or walk around the room. It's basic biology. It signals your brain that sleep mode is over. Step 4. Have a strong why. Nobody likes getting out of bed for no reason. When the alarm rings, your brain automatically asks, "Why should I get up?" You need a compelling reason pulling you out of bed, whether it's working out, reading, or building your side hustle/dream project. Decide on this target the night before. When your subconscious mind is prepared, you wake up ready to execute. Step 5. Ditch the guilt and bounce back. Look, everyone misses a day. You will, I will, everyone does. But there is one golden rule you must follow: never miss twice. If you fail one day, fine. Shake it off. But if you miss 2 days in a row, you break the momentum and lose the habit. Even if you woke up late yesterday, get up today, even if it's just for 10 minutes to reset the habit loop. Stick to this cycle for 20 to 25 days, and discipline becomes your default state. Step 6. Reward your effort. Don't make waking up early feel like a punishment. Pair it with a reward. Enjoy a quiet cup of coffee, listen to your favorite music, or watch the sunrise. When I used to view early mornings as a torture tactic, I failed. But once I connected my mornings with a peaceful cup of coffee and a good book, waking up felt like a privilege. That mindset shift changed everything. Bonus step: sleep better, not less. Waking up at 4:30 a.m. isn't about destroying your sleep, it's about optimizing it. Improve your sleep environment, keep it dark, cool, and quiet. Also, try changing your mental framing. Instead of going to bed stressing, "I have to wake up early tomorrow," tell yourself, "I am someone who wakes up refreshed at 4:30 a.m. Your subconscious reacts heavily to the commands you give it. Outro. There will come a time when the whole world is asleep, and you'll be quietly working on your dreams. In that exact moment, you'll realize waking up early isn't just a routine, it's a superpower. Quick recap. Move your alarm away and name it. Plan your morning the night before. Water plus light plus movement equals energy. Have a clear reason to wake up. Never miss twice, bounce back. Reward yourself and optimize your sleep environment. If you're ready to take back your mornings, drop a comment below with "Tomorrow 4:30 a.m. Club." If you found this valuable, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with a friend who needs to fix their sleep schedule.